Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Rodriguez. I'm a student of the UPY and I'm here at the event for the Planet 2020. I'm here with one of the participants of the contest. Please tell me your name.
Yeah, for sure. My name is Ronaldo Sousa.
Hi, my name is Roger Solis.
My name is Jesus.
Yes, I am Maite Alejandra.
Of course, my name is Osvaldo Cham, and I am a data engineer.
In what quarter?
Data engineer student.
Hello, I am Pamela Sandoval.
And please share with us what topic did you choose to work on for the contest?
Well, my team chose the problematic that is related with the injuries with pedestrians.
We choose the wildfires in Australia because we think that it's really harming a lot of people.
And about the necessity of stop the injuries in pedestrians.
Yeah, my team and I are addressing the problem of the Australian bushfires.
What's the biggest difference from last year and this year?
I think mainly the experience. I know what to do better and what not to do. I know how can I manage my times and a process that I can keep.
Well, I feel that this year the level has made a change. I feel that my opponents are very, very prepared, and we have to be very careful to what we do because any mistake can make a difference in the final presentation.
Okay, and how has your experience been so far? How are you feeling? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
Some difficulties. The main difficulty that we have faced is not in the communication among the team, but we wanted to cover a lot of things and we couldn't focus on the main goal of the thing that they are asking us to solve.
Oh, I'm very excited. This is my first event for the planet, but actually it's very fantastic. It's enormous. The activity, the people giving ideas all the time, the teams. It's fantastic. Even when we don't sleep a lot, but I feel every other time I feel very emotionally, and I can't sleep.
And thank you very much for your words. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for your words and I wish you good luck. Thank you, Pamela, for sharing us your experience and we hope that you get a great result.